Hey guys, we're pushing ahead with powers here, looking at exponent laws, order of operations, and solving exponent problems. Later, we'll get into area, volume, and surface area in the next section. Today, we're really introducing this new guy right here, this coefficient. Variables you've seen before, and we're not really getting into the use of variables so much right now as we are that coefficient. So the coefficient is a number used to multiply a variable, or even in this case to multiply another term, another expression, another part of the equation. The links there for the definition, I'll put that in the blog too. So here's what that coefficient looks like. Here's how it plays out or shakes out in our order of operations. And these are going to be kind of bed mass. I guess I could do that all caps. Bed mass problems, order of operations problems. But to start with, they're going to look like just like this. So here's that coefficient, right? So in this case, we'll do our brackets first. We'll do our exponents first. So we're going to deal with that -5 squared. So we're going to deal with that -5 times -5. And notice the base is a -5, so it is -5 times itself. So we've got 25 there when we evaluate our exponent, and now -3 times 25, sorry guys, what is -75. And we say times because this is like 3 groups of the brackets, 3 brackets, 325s, or -325s in this case. So our answer is -75. Next, we've got a -4 to the power of 4. And notice here that the base is just the 4. The base is actually a positive 4. So we can treat that -1, or sorry, treat negative as a coefficient of -1, right? So that whole expression could be looked at like this: -1 times 4 to the power of 4, right? Because the base is just the 4. We've seen that already, but there's just another way to look at it with this new idea, this coefficient idea thrown in. So we've got our -1 times 4 to the power of 4, which if we evaluate is 256. So our answer would be -256. All right. A couple ways there that coefficient is used. Later we get into kind of more complex, more involved order of operations problems like number 3. Here we see we've got a couple sets of brackets, a couple of exponents. So we'll do brackets and exponents first. So -2 times -15 minus 4 squared minus 16 plus 4 groups of 4 brackets, 4 groups of 5 cubed. So again, I'm still kind of working within the brackets here. I could add, and the opposite is the rule we could use there. We could add the opposite when we're subtracting integers. So we've got -5 plus -16, -31. 2 groups of that, plus 4 groups of 5 cubed, 4 groups of 125. And we're still thinking of that like 4 times 5 cubes, or 4 times 125. Continue evaluating here. -2 times -31 is 62, plus 4 groups of 125 is 500, and our answer being 562. Alright, just 3 examples there showing you that coefficient and how that plays into order of operations with exponents. So I'm going to suggest we look at page 111 to 113 now and choose 7 questions, and then as always, once they're done, mark them and correct them. And make sure that's just part of your process in doing your work here, guys. Good luck.